SENSORWORX designs, manufactures, and sells lighting controls. With particular expertise in occupancy sensors and electronics manufacturing in the United States, the SENSORWORX brand is the standard in lighting controls technology, simplicity, and quality. Founded in 2017, the SENSORWORX team has an unmatched resume in bringing high-quality and innovative products to the commercial lighting control marketplace. Located on Research Parkway in Wallingford, Connecticut, the SENSORWORX building is a fitting home for a company that produces energy-saving products. Expanded in 2023, our manufacturing facility utilizes the latest in technology to achieve both efficiency and quality. Quality requires attention to detail by employees who take pride in their work. SENSORWORX is an example of how manufacturing in the United States can be both a strategic advantage and profitable. SENSORWORX continues to raise the benchmark for great lighting controls and be the company that customers prefer to do business with.